Opo Ibu Kun Idile. Abundant blessings, family. Welcome back. If you've been studying with me for a while, I really appreciate you and hope that you will let me know in the comments how these lessons are benefiting you. It means a lot to me to hear back from you. If you're here for the first time, I'm Baba Umar. I hope you will grow with these lessons and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment, and share in our journey to the good condition. Welcome to our egg bay. Our topic is religion versus spiritual technology. Ifani ki Isin. Ifá is not a religion. Part 1. In these modern times, the word religion, has become charged with many negative energies like control, oppression, distraction, deception, and social conditioning. To avoid that trap, I speak of Ifá as a spiritual technology through which we can shape and reshape the nature of reality using attention, intention, actions, and ashe, spiritual power. Part 2. The definition of religion. A religion is defined as a set of beliefs concerning the cause, nature, and purpose of the universe, especially when considered as the creation of a superhuman agency or agencies, usually involving some kind of devotional and ritual observances and containing a moral code governing the conduct of human affairs. Now, based on that definition, we would have to say that Ifá falls into the category of a religion. But wait. Perhaps the correct or more accurate conclusion is that religion can emerge within the realm of Ifá. So religion then is a subset of Ifá rather than Ifá being a subdivision of religion. Asha'ro. Part 3. Culture. A people's culture is their entire design for living, passed on from one generation to the next through learning. Now, according to that definition, religion is a part of the culture of a people, society, or civilization. For you and me, for those of us who were born and raised in the West, this Eurocentric culture that we've been socialized into focuses our attention on things outside of ourselves, because our enemies do not want us to remember and activate the spiritual forces that remain dormant and suppressed within us. On the other hand, the Afrocentric worldview has always focused attention inside of ourselves to activate our unique spiritual powers. As above, so below. As within, so without. Asha'ro. Part 4. Definition of worship. Worship means reverence, honor, and homage paid to God or a sacred personage, or to any object regarded as sacred. For those of us growing up outside of the cultural context of Ifá, we've been socialized into a concept of religion where we worship something or things outside of ourselves, something separate from who and what we are. This has been a process of misdirection, perpetrated by the dark forces that have sought to enslave us physically, mentally, and spiritually. Asheo. Part 5. Ifá as a religion and not a religion. What you're studying and internalizing in these lessons are the keys to unlocking your Afrocentric ancestral memory so that we can work together to bring about the good condition in the world. See, Ifá is more than a religion, although it does contain aspects consistent with the elements of religion. Ifá is a spiritual technology. It is a vehicle of transformation from the physical to the metaphysical and spiritual dimensions of existence. Ifá is a technology for understanding how to transform spiritual energies into physical manifestations. Asheo. Part 6. The direction of prayer. When you pray, remember you're not praying to something outside of yourself. What you are doing is speaking your oral words into the universal consciousness, Olodumare, to activate the divine forces that have their existence within you. Prayer is a process of creation activated through attention, intention, action, and ashe, spiritual power. Want to learn more? Like and subscribe to the Ile Awo Òrìṣà playlist at Alakoso. Thanks for listening. Alafia ati Ife, Emi Elewa. Peace and love, beautiful souls. Ajo lo, ajo bo. We go out together, we return together. Ashe, ashe, asheo.